Come with me to Italy, not the crowded cities, but the heart of its natural beauty. We'll leave behind the rush and step into landscapes that soothe the soul. From the Dolomites to sunlit islands, every region has its own magic. Imagine time slowing in the countryside, where quiet paths and sparkling lakes invite you to pause. Savor the simple joys, fields of poppies, birdsong, and the taste of fresh olive oil. Each place offers its own peace and variety. Pack your bags, leave your worries, and get ready for a scenic, relaxing adventure. Let's begin, and let Italy's natural soul welcome you. Our journey begins in the north, where the Dolomites rise like stone cathedrals. At sunrise and sunset, the peaks glow pink, a magical sight called Enrosadira. Below, green valleys stretch out, filled with wildflowers and the sound of distant cowbells. In summer, hikers wander easy trails. In winter, snow blankets the slopes. Time here is like meditation. Worries fade and you focus on the beauty around you. Every path leads to a new perspective. Here, nature's grandeur is humbling and uplifting. Let's continue our journey, carrying this tranquility with us. The adventure has just begun. From the mountains, we descend to Lake Como, a jewel nestled among green hills. The lake's deep blue waters mirror the sky and mountains, sparkling in the sun. A slow boat ride reveals pastel-colored towns and grand villas with lush gardens. Bougainvillea and geraniums spill over balconies, adding bursts of color. The air is fragrant, the breeze gentle, and the pace unhurried. Bellagio, the pearl of the lake, sits where the three branches meet, perfect for wandering cobbled streets and browsing local shops. Varenna offers a romantic promenade and lakeside cafes for lingering over coffee. Here, life is about strolling, savoring, and soaking in the serene beauty. Lake Como has inspired artists and writers for centuries with its soothing blend of water and mountains. The scent of flowers and the fresh lake air invite you to unwind. Spend your days in villa gardens or simply watching the light shift on the water. Lake Como teaches the art of doing nothing and loving it. The scenery is elegant, the atmosphere peaceful. Every moment here is a chance to relax and recharge. The lake's calm is contagious. Let yourself drift and enjoy the view. This is a place to let go of stress. Lake Como is a sanctuary for the soul. Take it slow and let the beauty sink in. Our journey continues, refreshed. We journey south into Tuscany, where the land becomes a patchwork of rolling hills. In spring, the hills are green. By late summer, they turn golden. Sunflowers, olive groves, and vineyards create a landscape that feels like a warm embrace. Winding roads lined with cypress trees lead past old stone farmhouses and grazing sheep. The air is scented with wild herbs and earth. Tuscany's beauty is both natural and shaped by centuries of tradition. People here live in harmony with the land, following the rhythm of the seasons. Visit a local farm, taste fresh olive oil and wine, and discover the simple joys of rural life. The pace is slow, inviting you to savor every moment. Find a hilltop at sunset and watch the sky turn orange and pink as the world grows quiet. This is La Dolce Vita, the sweet life, found in the beauty of the land and the pleasure of slowing down. Tuscany invites you to connect deeply with nature and yourself. The landscape is gentle, the feeling one of contentment. Here, every day is a celebration of simple pleasures. The hills, the light, the air, all combine to create a sense of peace. Tuscany is a place to pause and appreciate life's small wonders. Let the countryside teach you the value of stillness. The beauty here is timeless. Tuscany's embrace is unforgettable. Our journey moves forward, hearts full. The next adventure awaits. Let's go. Next to Tuscany lies Umbria, the green heart of Italy. Quieter, wilder, and deeply peaceful. Forested hills and lush valleys create a sea of green, from dark oak woods to bright spring fields. Walk soft forest paths, listen to hidden streams, and spot deer or wild boar. Lake Trasimeno's silvery waters and sunflower fields offer tranquil views. Hill towns like Assisi and Orvieto perch above the valleys, inviting quiet contemplation. Umbria's spirit is gentle, its beauty subtle. Here you can explore ancient trails, visit monasteries, and savor simple, delicious food. The land whispers with the wind, the water, and birdsong. Umbria doesn't shout, it invites you to find your own quiet paradise. This is a place for reflection and renewal. Let Umbria's calm restore your soul. We head south to the Amalfi Coast, where mountains plunge into the brilliant blue sea. Cliffs, coves, and bays create a dramatic, unforgettable coastline. Towns like Positano cascade down steep cliffs, their houses painted in white, pink, and yellow. Bougainvillea spills over balconies, and lemon groves scent the air. The Mediterranean sparkles below, dotted with boats. Take a boat trip to see hidden grottos and secluded beaches, or swim in the clear, cool water. The Amalfi Coast is a celebration of sea and sun, where life is lived outdoors. People gather in piazzas, enjoy fresh seafood, and soak in the views. The energy here is joyful and invigorating. Nature's power and beauty are on full display. Every moment is a feast for the senses. The cliffs, colors, and sea create a sense of wonder. The Amalfi Coast is a reminder of the world's beauty. Let yourself be swept up in its magic. This is a place to celebrate life. The journey continues, spirits lifted, onward to new horizons. We cross the sea to Sardinia, an island of wild, ancient beauty. Rugged mountains, cork forests, and wild herbs fill the air with the scent of myrtle and rosemary. Mysterious stone towers, nuraghi, dot the landscape, adding to the island's sense of mystery. Sardinia's beaches are legendary. Fine white sand, turquoise water, and hidden coves. The Costa Smeralda dazzles, but wilder shores offer solitude and adventure. Inland, shepherds tend flocks as they have for centuries. Sardinia's culture is strong and proud, with unique food, roasted pig, flatbread, and sheep's cheese. The island invites exploration. Hike mountains, kayak the coast, or discover ancient ruins. Nature here feels powerful and untouched. Sardinia is a place to escape, to feel free and adventurous. The wild beauty is unforgettable. Here, you connect with something elemental and timeless. Sardinia is a treasure of the Mediterranean. Let its spirit inspire you. Our journey presses on. Our final stop is Sicily, the Mediterranean's largest island, a land of contrasts and intensity. Mount Etna, Europe's largest active volcano, dominates the east, its fertile slopes alive with vineyards and citrus groves. The landscape is dark yet beautiful, with black lava flows and sweeping sea views. Sicily's coastline is varied pebble coves in the Zingaro Reserve, the white cliffs of Scala dei Turchi, and endless blue sea. The island is a crossroads of cultures, Greek temples, Arab gardens, and Norman cathedrals, all set in stunning natural settings. The mix of history and landscape creates a place rich in stories and passion. Sicily's colors are brighter, its flavors bolder, its energy palpable. From fiery volcanoes to sparkling shores, Sicily awakens the senses. This is a land of myths, legends, and raw beauty. Every view tells a story. Sicily is a grand finale to our Italian journey. Let its spirit linger with you. The adventure nears its end. One last look before we say goodbye. Our journey through Italy's natural wonders comes to a close. From the Dolomites to Sicily, we've seen a land of endless variety and peace. This was more than sightseeing. It was about feeling the soul of the land. Traveling slowly, we learned to notice the small details. Light on a lake, wind in the trees, the scent of wild herbs. These moments create lasting memories and a deep sense of calm. Italy's nature invites us to slow down, breathe, and simply be. The peace we found here is a gift to carry home. Standing before mountains or the sea, we're reminded of nature's power and beauty. The quiet of a forest or the rhythm of waves calms the mind. Italy offers healing and restoration in abundance. As we say goodbye, we carry its beauty and tranquility within us. The journey may end, but the experience changes us. we return home with new wonder and appreciation. Italy's natural soul is a true souvenir. Peace, joy, and inspiration. May it call you back again and again. Until next time, keep traveling. Arrivederci.